I feel very strongly about community and therefore community building because I've seen how it changes lives. It changed my life. For most of my life, I've been bringing people together and doing community building, but that was before I even had the language to understand what it was I was doing. I just love the dynamics of a group of people who grow close to one another and identify with one another, with the group. It's an amazing, amazing feeling. But it wasn't until tragedy struck in my life that I really, really came to appreciate the power of community and then learned how to put it into words, to decode the process, because I had inadvertently built a community with my online blogger friends. And they were so supportive to me during that time. And over the years, we've been supportive to one another as each one of us has gone through different life issues, because life isn't always smooth sailing. And the best thing when you're in rough seas is to know you're not alone, to know there are people there who care about you, who will listen to you, who will just be willing to be present with you in your circumstances. Community building is the greatest gift you can give to one another. And the greatest gift you can give to yourself is to learn how to build community.